So how much money have I earned as a Nexus Snap member? Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you are thinking about joining Nexus Snap or Nexus Rewards, depending on what you call it. It's the same thing. But you know, you might be like, yo, I've been hearing about this opportunity. I watched a couple videos, but are people really making money? All right, so in this video, I'm gonna share with you how much I've made so far with Nexus Snap. And this is pretty much an update video because I did do a video about a week and a half ago showing my earnings. As you can see right here, $520.80 as I'm recording this video. And depending on, you know, your views on making money online, to me, this is dope to have made $500 with this opportunity because it is so easy. All right, it's easy to get involved with and it's easy to promote. So anytime somebody joins my team, I tell them off rip, like, look, this is a dope ass opportunity, but what you need to do is figure out your style of marketing. What do you feel comfortable doing on a regular basis, and do it. All right, go hard with it. Get this opportunity in front of many people as you can on a regular basis. And I'm pretty confident that you will start making money with Nexus Snap. So I'm very hyped on being a part of Nexus Snap because I'm actually watching the growth of this company. I'm in the company as it's getting bigger and bigger. And like I said in a previous video, once you become a premium member of Nexus Snap, you get access to a private Facebook group for Nexus Snap members. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm happy, you know what I'm saying, with making, you know, $500 so far with the company, but there are people in the group that is killing it. You understand what I'm saying? It's people in the group that's in the thousands of dollars with Nexus Snap. All right, so it actually gives me motivation and like more excitement to be like, okay, I know what I need to do. All right, I gotta keep on grinding, right? And so many people are excited about this opportunity, and you'll notice more and more people talking about Nexus Snap. Like every passing week, there's more and more videos talking about it. There's more people on Facebook talking about Nexus Snap because just like the company and even myself, I think this is really going to be big. If you like, you know what, I done heard enough. All right, I'm ready to join Nexus Snap. I'm ready to start building a monthly income. You know what you need to do. Click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.